The battery light is showing on the dashboard. The car struggles to start. We need to replace the battery. It's located under here. Gently remove the two clips and remove this fascia. We need to remove this piece of trim to get the battery out. Pull away the rubber seal to the point where the trim is split. Next, remove this plastic nut and the metal bolt. Use a 10mm socket. Once removed, you need to pull the trim away from the windscreen and front wing and slide it out. Remember to like and subscribe to Broken Fixed. Now, we undo this retaining bolt. Again, use a 10mm socket to loosen. Links to where you can buy the tools I've used and the replacement battery are provided in the description below. Lots of webs. The battery will now be loose. Remove the vent tube. Next, loosen the battery terminals. Use a 10mm spanner. Once loose, pull the terminals away from the battery. Now we slide the battery forward slightly and lift it out. This Mini is a diesel and requires a 096 AGM battery. If your car has the start-stop feature, then you must buy a deep cycle AGM battery. Now we place the new battery in the tray. We need to lower it in and slide it back so it's held into place under the rear clamp. Unclip this wire for a little extra space. Make sure to slide the new battery in with the terminals in the correct position. Clip the wire back in. Remove the terminal covers. Insert the breather pipe. Reconnect the battery terminals and tighten into place with the 10mm spanner. Make sure the terminals are not loose. Reconnect the battery mount bolt and tighten to the point where the battery is secure. Do not over-tighten as these damage easily. Replace the trim by sliding it into place. It's fitted correctly when the clip on the joint is tight and the rubber seal sits flush with the windscreen. Replace the metal bolt and plastic nut. Replace the top fascia by sliding the 3 clips in first. Replace the rubber bonnet seal. Push it firmly into place. Job done. The car now starts without problem. Congratulations! Don't forget to set the clock.